Morning students. Next we are going to see the problems based on function of function unit, right? That is nothing but chain rule. See here we have given you a function that is u of x comma y. Whereas u of x comma y is equal to x square y plus 3x y power 4. Where x is equal to e power t and y is equal to sin t. See here u is a function in x and y, whereas x and y are functions in t. Okay, so here u depends upon two variables and x and y depends on a single variable. So we are going to differentiate this u with respect to a single variable t, and that's why they have given you a question that find du by dt. Okay, so now we are going to generate the formula here. See, we are going to find the value of du by dt. Now see, my function is u, which is in x and y. Okay, and x and y are in terms of t. Now you can write the formula. So here it divides into two parts. So I'll use what? Partial derivative. See, this is dou u by dou y. And now here it joins to a single variable. So here we are going to use direct differentiation, that is dx by dt, and this is dy by dt. And finally we are going to find what? Du by dt. So we can arrive the formula using this. Now I am going to use this to write the formula, that is dou u by dou x into dx by dt. That is, I have taken this side plus of that side. That is dou u by dou y into dy by dt. See, you have to frame the formula like this only. If you mug up the formula, it will not be easier, you will forget the formula. So it is better you can write the given question in this form and you can derive the formula. Now here we have to find the value of each and every value here. That is, first I am going to find dou u by dou x. That is, I am going to differentiate my u with respect to x partially. See, here I have x, here also I have x. If I differentiate this, I will be getting 2xy plus here I have only x, so I will be getting 3y power 4. So this is my dou u by dou x. Now I am going to find dou u by dou y. So I am going to differentiate the same u with respect to y. See, I have y here. If I differentiate, I will be getting only x square because this is constant, and y is of power 1 and derivative is 1. Okay, next is 3x y power 4. So according to power rule, 4 comes before, then 3x into y cube. Okay, so this is nothing but x square plus 12x y cube. So this is my dou u by dou y. Next I have to find the value of dx by dt and dy by dt. So my dx by dt is nothing but, what is my x? X is e power t, and dx by dt is differentiating x with respect to t. So e power t is e power t. Next is dy by dt. Here the function is sine. If I differentiate sine, I will be getting cos t. Okay, so this is my dy by dt. Now I am going to substitute these values in this formula. So we will be getting what? Du by dt is nothing but 2xy plus 3e power 4 into e power t plus x square plus 12xy cube into cos t. So here there is no any other simplification, so we will stop till this result. Okay. So next what we are going to do is, see, they have told you to find evaluate at t is equal to 0. So before that we have to, since we are going to find the value of du by dt, we should eliminate x and y. How we can eliminate means, we can just replace x and y in this values. Okay. In order to simplify this, we just substitute x and y in this value. Next you can find the value, you can substitute t is equal to 0 to find the value, right? So first now I am going to substitute x is equal to e power t and y is equal to sin t. So finally my final answer must be the terms of variable which they have given you. Okay, it should not be of any other variable. So if it is du by dt, my answer should be in t only. If it is du by d some other variable, the answer must be in that variable. Okay, so plus of 3 is y power 4, y is sine, so sine power 4t, the whole into e power t, plus this is e power t the whole square, that can be written as e power 2t, plus of 12 into e power t sine cube t, the whole into cos t. Now I am going to substitute what? T is equal to 0. Okay. See, you know the value of sine 0 is nothing but 0. So this term will become 0 and this term also will become 0. Isn't it? And next, if you come here, this term is also will become 0 since the value of sine t is, you all know, sine t is nothing but, sine of 0 is nothing but 0. So wherever I have sine, that terms will become 0. So the only term which I will get is what? E power 2t into cos t. So I can substitute 0 here. So I will be getting e power 0 into cos 0, which is nothing but 1. Okay, therefore du by dt at t is equal to 0 is nothing but 1. Okay. Next we are going to see with 3 variables, that is u of x, y, z. I have 3 variables here, that is one is x, one is y and one is z. All 3 variables depends upon a single variable t here. So we are going to find the value of du by dt. So now we will see how we are going to generate the formula first. That is, first I have considered u. Okay, u is of x, y and z, and all 3 depends upon t. Okay. Now see, I have u has 3 variables, so I will be taking partial here, that is dou u by dou x, and this is dou u by dou y, and this is dou u by dou z. But here all 3 variables comes to a single variable. So here we will use what? Direct differentiation, that is dx by dt and dy by dt, and this is dz by dt, and all, whereas u was differentiated with respect to t, and here we used to write this as du by dt. Now we are going to write the formula here, that is du by dt is equal to, right, first is what? Dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt plus dou u by dou z into dz by dt. Okay. So now we are going to find the value of each and everything here. First, dou u by dou x. What is my u? That is x, y, z. So when we differentiate x, I will be getting 1. So remaining they are in products. So we will be getting y, z. Next is dou u by dou y. It is very obvious. We will be getting only x into z. And next is dou u by dou z. Here we will be getting x, y. Now we are going to find the value of dx by dt. What is my dx by dt? See, here I have x is equal to e power minus t. The derivative of e power minus t is minus e power minus t. And what is my dy by dt? See, I have e power minus t into cos t. Both are in t's. So we have to make use of product rule here. So first I will keep e power minus t as such. When I differentiate cos t, I will be getting minus sin t. Okay, plus of cos t is as such. When we differentiate e power minus t, I will be getting minus e power minus t. So this is my dy by dt. Next is dz by dt. Okay, so dz by dt, which is nothing but, see, I have sin t there. If I differentiate it with respect to t, I will be getting cos t. So we are going to substitute this in our formula, that is what? Du by dt is equal to, du by dt is equal to, first I have yz, right? Yz into minus of e power minus t plus of, next is xz into e power minus t. See, I have minus here and here also. So I can take minus in common, so I will be getting cos t. See, I have to find the value of du by dt. So there should be any other variable other than t. So I have x, y, z. So here I have to replace x, y, z with respect to the variables given in t, right? So which is equal to what? What is my y? Y is e power minus t cos t. And what is my z? Z is sin t. Into, I have minus here, so I will be taking the minus in the front and e power minus t. And here minus of again e power minus t. My z is sin t. And this is again e power minus t sin t plus e power t minus t cos t. Let's solve e power minus t into e power minus t cos t into cos t. Right? So you have to simplify this. See, I have e power minus t in common with every term. That is e power minus t twice. So I will be getting e power minus 2t. So I can take e power minus 2t in common from every term. Okay. So if I take e power minus 2t here, I will be getting minus cos t sin t. Right? So here I get cos t sin t. Here I will be getting what? If I take the sin t inside, I will be getting minus sin square t. Right? Minus sin square t minus cos t sin t. I will be getting minus cos t sin t here plus of cos square t. Okay? So see, this can be written as what? E power minus 2t and cos square t minus sin square t minus 2 cos t sin t. So this is cos square t minus sin square t minus 2 cos t sin t. You all know what is the formula. So we cannot make this as a square minus b square because I have minus here. So this is the formula of cos 2t and this is the formula of sin 2t. This is a trigonometrical formula. You can write this as, that is e power minus 2t, and this is the formula of cos 2t, and this is the formula of sin 2t. So I can write this as cos 2t minus sin 2t. Okay. So finally our du by dt is nothing but e power minus 2t into cos 2t minus sin 2t.